Welcome to the Art of Marx Trains, part 50, where I'm setting up some signals for signal night at Dave's. For part 50, I thought it would be fun to show a set that was typical of 1950, and so I selected this set. It's a scale set, 8-wheel, number 25220. 25225 is the number on the box, but it's been crossed out and rubber stamped with 25220. And it was purchased at Gimbel Brothers department store from the northeast part of the United States. Big stores in New York and Philadelphia, Pittsburgh, Milwaukee. And I'm not sure which store this was purchased in, but I'll show you something on the box lid in just a moment. But it's a pretty basic $9.99 set. Steam locomotive with a plain pilot. And we'll run this in a minute. See, it has the one-piece pickup, and it's in very nice condition. The wedge tender is the New York Central. It's got metal couplers, scale trucks. There's a 256 tank car, the black frame. The box car is Pennsylvania. It's really in excellent condition. Wow, really nice. And then the caboose is a New York Central. A few smudges on it. It's kind of interesting that there'd be smudges on this, but not on the box car. Always makes me wonder if something was swapped in the set, but it does look like an original set. It's got all the dividers, it's got some wires, got the transformer, and it's got the lock-on. It's got a couple singles for operating an accessory or a signal, straight track, curve track, uncoupler, a packing slip, and that's about it. But what I thought was probably the most interesting thing about this set, I'll flip the lid over. There's some writing inside. Well, apparently it's not a 1950 set, probably more like a 1945 set. So there's a little hard to read, but it's beautiful writing. It says November 1945. I bought this train set Thanksgiving week for Baby Joe's first Christmas. And when he had the largest tree we ever had, and it was Joe's first Christmas, it was in operation, and the first morning toy he ever seen. Joseph M. Donovan Sr. Then, fast forward to December 1956 Christmas, it says Joe Jr. is 11 years past, and this train does not satisfy him. I bought an American Flyer diesel outfit, freight and passenger cars, 3-unit diesel Santa Fe and New Haven engine, and a Pennsylvania Railroad steamer for myself, Joseph M. Donovan Sr. It's always fun when people put personal notes in these sets, and it makes it a lot more interesting for me. So let's put this set on the track and see how well it runs. Set is on the track. Caboose, boxcar, tank car, tender, and the steam locomotive. Let's see if it runs. Got a headlight. smooth, like it has hardly any time on it. No wonder it's in such great condition. Let's give it one more run, see if the reverse unit works. Well, maybe. Yeah, it is. Well, that was a great set. We'll go put it back in the box, and as always, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for number 51.